2018 Toyota RAV-4 MAF sensor cleaning and how to replace it. I'm going to show you how to do both. RAV-4, this is the limited with the 2.5 and it's a 2018. So when you have your hood popped, you want to come over here. Your MAF sensor is this guy right here. It's 2 screws and a connector, really. It's pretty simple. So first, let's get with the connector. There's a little spot for your thumb to push right here. And then you're going to push that down, release that tab, and then pull it backwards. It could be kind of stubborn. The more older these get, like dirt and stuff gets in there, it makes it kind of harder to pull off. So like wiggle and pull it back. Now let's get the 2 Phillips screws off. They are kind of like a smaller bit size. So if your regular screwdriver don't fit, you know, it's not your screwdriver's fault. So let's go ahead and get these 2 screws out. Try not to drop them because they're kind of like an obscure screw. I'm going to see if I can link some below in case we drop them and lose them. Once you get those out, we're going to grab this and kind of gently wiggle it and pull it straight up. And here it is. This is what the MAF sensor looks like. Okay, so here's the part number on the top of this, 22204-28010. This part has multiple part numbers, so if I were to check this on Amazon, it'd be kind of hard to find this exact part number. However, if I go to a Toyota parts website, there's the number right there. If you scroll down, there's superseded part numbers. There's like 3 or 4, and any of those part numbers will work. It's basically the same exact part. So I'm going to look up the first one on here, actually the second one. And if you look the second number up on Amazon, you can get a Toyota genuine MAF sensor, which I highly recommend, or we can get a good aftermarket one. So here's the Toyota one. I know it doesn't have a picture, but that is the right one right there. I recommend getting this one. However, if you see a cheap one with like 1 star or 1 rating, I wouldn't get it. But there is a nice one that has 70 ratings. It's a 4-star for 25 bucks. So if you absolutely have to, you can get this one. I will link both of them below. With great ratings, so I'm going to link those below. Here's some MAF sensor cleaner. I'm going to link this below as well. If you're just trying to take yours out and clean it, there's a little wire, that little heater wire. You want to just spray this until that wire is free of like any kind of dirt, debris, dead bugs, little pieces of leaves, whatever. Just get that wire nice and clear. That's what measures the air coming in. Now, once we get that, let it dry out for about 5 or 10 minutes. We're going to put it back in. And then also, if you bought a new one, this is how you put it in with your new one too. Just put your new one in, put your screws in, and then we'll tighten these down. These don't got to go mega tight. Just get them like pretty snug, plus a 1/4 turn. You don't want to strip out those little plastic little tubes that those screw into. And we'll push our connector in, and that's it. Also, make sure the key's not in the car or your vehicle's not on when you replace it. And check your air filter while you're here. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out.
Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. Got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the AUXITO website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights. And then you just browse to what you need and you get it. And then at checkout, you're going to type in GearmoAuto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.